Welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I bring a very interesting video, and before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And let's start the video. Let's begin now. Today I'm going to show you how to make it a baby beanie, and for that I'm using two colors, yellow and blue, and for that we need to make it 40 chains. So let's make it 40 chains. Here I'm using double yarn. Now let's make it 40 chains like this. Now 40 chains are ready, and let's start single slip stitch from here, front loop stitch like this, and you can increase or decrease the chains according to your size. Like this. Here again insert the hook, and let's make it front slip stitch, and we are going to make it 5 pattern of this front slip stitch in this way. Till here. Now we have completed 5 patterns, 1 2 3 4 5, and after that we are going to change the color. I'm going to use this yellow color like this, and let's make it front loop stitch same this way. Front slip stitch. This also we are going to make it 5 patterns. Now 5 patterns are ready, so let's change the color again in blue. And after that let's make it front stitch like this, and we are going to make it this alternative color of 12 patterns. So let's make it another alternative 12 patterns of these two colors. Now 12 patterns are ready. This pattern you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and after that I put some design over here. So I will show you how to put this design. This also same. We are going to crochet front slip stitch. Let's make one chain, and after that insert the hook over here. We are going to make it front slip stitch like this. Now we have finished this line, and after that we are going to fold this into half. Then let's stitch over here with the help of needle. We can stitch simplest way like this. And let's tie the yarn. Then let's stitch till the end. Now we have finished this stitch. You can see, and we are going to make it like this. Now let's insert the needle over here. Then from inside, from here, skip the two patterns. Then pull out the needle in this way. Then after the two patterns, insert the needle in this manner like this till here. So we start from here and we are going to finish here till here. And now let's pull the yarn like this. And after that, let's tie it. And after that, let's stitch to make a more strong. Now beanie is ready, and let's turn the side. And you can wear like this, it can be, or if you want you can fold it in this way. And it's very simple and very easy to crochet beanie, and it takes only 3 hours, so you can make it at home for your loved ones in this way. And I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will bring more interesting video for you. And see you in the next video. Bye.